Hey there, viewers. Let's be honest here. No matter how hard we try to maintain a healthy diet, we sometimes get carb cravings that simply won't go away. What if we told you you could satisfy that craving without that extra processed sugar? In today's video, let's explore the super tasty low-carb foods that are very low in sugar and high in beneficial nutrients. Here is our low-carb food list. Number 1. Avocados. Whether you like to begin your morning with an avocado toast or prefer your guacamole and chips, avocados are some of the best low-carb foods. And here's why. This green and giant pitted fruit is high in healthy fats and low in carbohydrates. As a go-to ingredient in most ketogenic diets, avocados are widely adored across the globe. Rich in fiber and protein, avocados are considered to be a standalone quick meals. But let's take a closer look at the exact facts and details. As we mentioned, avocados are rich in healthy fats, also known as monounsaturated fats. These macronutrients help regulate cholesterol levels and lower the amount of bad cholesterol in the body. Thanks to their folate and vitamin K content, avocados also help the body regulate tissue and cellular function, while also keeping our bones strong and powerful. As for the fiber, it's a well-known fact that fiber can help maintain low blood sugar levels and aid in the control of insulin, glucose, and type 1 diabetes. Thanks to its low glycemic index and just 6.3 grams of carbohydrates, avocados are perfect snacks for low-sugar diets and keto diets. On top of their many incredible properties, avocados are simply delicious low-carb fruits. Number 2. Mozzarella. Up next, let's talk about one of our favorite pizza toppings, mozzarella. If you love the classic Italian dish, then you are no stranger to this delicious and mouth-watering cheese. But let's see how mozzarella cheese is also a great low-carb food. Just like most cheese types, mozzarella is very low in carbohydrates. Let's take simple mozzarella cubes as an example. One whole cup of cut mozzarella cubes is said to have only 3.5 grams of carbs and around 300 calories. But that's not all these tasty cheeses have to offer. It's no secret that mozzarella is rich in calcium, potassium, and biotin. The incredible source of calcium found in mozzarella can help support bone strength and bone integrity. Potassium electrolytes can balance out excess sodium found in the body and lower blood pressure. As for the biotin, or vitamin B7, who doesn't want healthy, strong, and shiny skin and hair? Number 3. Eggs. If you've been looking for low-carb breakfast options, then look no further. Did you know your breakfast eggs are extremely low in carbs? Whether you have weight loss goals, are carb counting, or on a keto journey, eggs should find a place in your weekly grocery list. When it comes to these products, they are very rich in proteins, necessary vitamins, and nutrients. With 6 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat, and only trace amounts of carbohydrates, these pearly white foods pack a lot of punch for coming in at less than 80 calories. Eggs contain vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin B12, all of which provide rich nutrition. From supporting normal cell growth, protein synthesis, and distribution, eggs are definitely super healthy low-carb foods. And as they are so versatile, eggs can also be great ingredients for low-carb meals. Number 4. Fish. Now, let's take a look at protein-rich meats and fish that are also low in carbs and sugar. Let's begin by explaining why fish are fan-favorite foods when it comes to keto diets. Keto diets have recently taken over the world of fitness and health. The low-carb, heavy-fat diet is all about burning excess fat in the body and relying on the process of ketosis. Simply put, when our bodies don't have sugar and carbs to burn for energy, we turn to fat for that necessary energy. That process is called ketosis, and it burns fat to create organic compounds called ketones. These compounds then become fuel for energy. Fish are notoriously fatty-rich foods. Along with their very low carb index, fish like salmon and shellfish are often the go-tos for most keto diet followers. High in healthy omega-3 fatty acids, fish can lower blood pressure, reduce the amount of bad cholesterol, and help maintain a healthy weight. Grilled salmon is a great afternoon lunch option, especially if you sprinkle in a few healthy leafy greens on the plate. Number 5. Chicken. Another diverse low-carb food that can create finger-tasting low-carb meals is chicken. Whether you are looking for low-carb for weight loss recipes or low-carb for diabetes meal plates, it's no secret that chicken remains one of the top foods on the low-sugar diet lists. Because of its high-protein composition, chicken is a powerful source of energy. From sustaining our muscle strength to controlling sugar cravings, chicken is a very filling meal option. Studies have shown that eating chicken regularly can maintain normal bone density and muscle integrity. while also providing the necessary macro and micronutrients needed for protein synthesis in the body. But that's not all. Along with being low in carbs, chicken also doesn't contain much fat. Instead, it's rich in vitamin B12, zinc, iron, and copper. All of these minerals help our bodies and organs function properly on a daily basis. Number 6. Beef. While we are on the topic of fish and poultry, we must also mention the benefits of beef and red meats. Just like the rest of the low-carb foods on our list, beef and other red meats have amazing health benefits. Containing around 25 to 30 grams of protein per serving, 10 grams of fat, and 0 grams of carbs and sugar, beef is one impressive source of high-quality protein. And as we all know, amino acids and proteins are what our muscles need for proper growth and strength. Red meats are also very rich in heme and iron, helping increase iron stores in the body and preventing iron deficiency anemias, but that's not where the benefits end. As beef has high amounts of protein, one serving of red meat can be very filling and create a feeling of satiety. This in turn will reduce any unnecessary carb cravings and lack of energy brought on by the consumption of processed sugars. Number 7. Leafy Greens. We've mentioned how fruits, dairy products, and different kinds of meats are delicious low-carb meal options, but what about vegetables? Growing up, we've heard stories about the importance of eating our veggies, but despite their minerals and nutrients, not all vegetables are good for low-carb diets. Let us explain why. When it comes to veggies, these foods can be divided into two categories: starchy vegetables and non-starchy vegetables. Veggies that grow underground are also called root vegetable or starchy vegetables. They contain high amounts of complex carbohydrates and more starch, hence the name starchy vegetables. Potatoes, corn, peas, and beets all fall under this category of vegetables. When it comes to low-carb veggies, it's the leafy greens that take the prize. Kale, spinach, cabbage, and lettuce are all types of leafy greens. These vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber and are very low in calories and carbs. Along with maintaining a healthy weight and sugar-free diets, leafy greens also help regulate high blood pressure and cholesterol levels. That is why adding leafy greens to your morning and evening routines can be a great way to continue on your low-carb and weight loss journeys. Number 8. Nuts. And last but not least, we can't forget to mention nuts, and the fascinating benefits these small snacks can deliver. As you may know, nuts come in a variety of forms and sizes. Almonds, peanuts, Brazil nuts, cashews, and walnuts are just some of the most popular types of nuts. But no matter the shape or size, these nutritious snacks are all low in carbs and sugar. Mixed nut assortments contain around 5 grams of protein, 15 grams of fat, and 6 grams of carbs. These antioxidant-loaded snacks are superheroes when it comes to fighting dangerous free radicals present in the body. According to one study, walnuts have better free radical fighting abilities when compared to fish. These protective properties also help our bodies on a cellular level, not to mention how these small nuts can have a huge impact on our heart health. By decreasing the amount of bad cholesterol, or LDL, nuts can bypass certain medical conditions such as heart attacks and high blood pressure. Other research has found that nuts can reduce blood glucose levels and directly help control type 2 diabetes and metabolic syndrome. Who knew tiny peanuts and almonds had such incredible effects on our bodies? Nuts are very diverse snacks that can easily be incorporated into dozens and hundreds of low-carb diets and meal plans. Whether you prefer to munch on these nutritious snacks alone or sprinkle a few almonds onto your salad bowls, these low-sugar seeds can find a way into your everyday routines and into your hearts, literally. Were you familiar with these low-carb and low-sugar foods and meal options? Will you be trying some of these delicious foods anytime soon? Let us know in the comment section below. Here are 2 more videos you might find interesting. Feel free to choose the one you like. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share the video with your friends. And for more interesting videos on health, subscribe to the channel.